Hello, firewood friends. We're back again.
I'm being forced to do this.
We are here at this delivery I was telling you about. I'm probably just going to put it on time lapse and get it delivered to pick the kids up from school. And they are loving it. Bittersweet. We are out of firewood. We are on our way to Paul Bunyan. So this is going to be a short video. We'll be there on Friday and maybe not on Saturday, depending on how much we get seen on Friday. I want to be there as soon as the doors open Friday morning and see as much as I can. So we may see you on Friday, may see you on Saturday. We are for sure going to the Friday Night Live with Back 40 Firewood. Was that him calling you? Just making sure you're going to be there? Probably so, yeah. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Get to work, get busy. That stuff doesn't split itself. Yeah, this thing has got crazy power now. I'll just make a couple cookies on this and show you. It sounds awesome too.